This is going to be a faster tutorial. Then firstly go to Google and type search for free bootstrap themes. You can see so many results. So go to this second one, free bootstrap templates. You can see so many of the different choices. I want a simple one, so I'm going to choose one page wonder. This will be good. And I'm choosing the free download. Yeah, it may take some little time. I want to choose the location, so I tutorial. That will be fine. Press on download. My download will be completed. Yeah, of course. Yeah, my download is completed. Now open your Atom. I think you have the Atom and this terminal like that. Okay, I'm going to activate the environment. Environment name is Django env. If you don't have this terminal, watch my description. I have a link on there. After activating, I am going to create a start new project. So Django slash or what's like that hyphen admin start new project. I want to give this some name, so I'm going to give Dawn. It will be fine for me. Okay, after that you can see a little bit time for that things. Wait for that. Now go to Python manage.py. Manage.py is a important thing. Start app. Okay, here I am initializing my app name by Dawn tutorial. Okay, you can give any name, so I'm giving Dawn tutorial. That should be fine. Okay, the app is started. Now we can see how it works on this file. So I'm going to minimize, and you can see this. Wow, yeah, all the files are created. Now let's move fast. Add this project folder to the Atom. For that, you can just go like that. I hear Dawn. Yeah, select folder. Now the folder is the project folder is added to Atom, and we want to add some more things for their settings.py. Okay, in settings.py we want to add the app name in there. For that we want to move down to X. You can see on the installed apps so many things on there. Django contrib static files. Okay. After that we just adding our app name. My app name is Dawn tutorial. I'm giving that here. Okay, Dawn tutorial. Give the perfect one. Don't miss the case, uppercase or lowercase. Now we want to debug. Go for a debug. Python manage.py. Yeah, and we want to type what's that? Migrate. Yeah. Okay, you can see the applying or other things here. Yeah. Now we want to make more migrations by make migration. Oh, I just missed an S, so it will be make migrations. That should be fine. No changes detected. Okay, now our codes are clear. So we want to check some more things in our app. Now we want to add a file. We want to add two folders. First one is static file. For that we just are typing static, and the next one is for templates. Create a new folder, templates. Yeah. Now the two folders are added to my app. You can see it there. Now we want to check the static file code there. Yeah, it's fine. Static URL, static there. We want to root the templates folder in the template directories. You can see the IRS on there. So I want to route that things to this one. I'm choosing the path for that. Make a copy on there. Yeah. Now I'm just adding on there. So paste. Okay. I want to remove the I, something like that. Giving a backspace. Now I want to change the slash to alternate one. Now make a comma, slash, make a templates. Don't mistake your name. It's templates, lowercase templates. After that we want to check how it works. Make migrate. Oh, there's an error on there. Name down is not defined. So I just forgot the what's that? I just forgot this thing for that. Giving that. Now we can migrate. Oh yeah, now migration should apply. So no errors on my code. Now we want to add these files. Okay, index, vendor, css, image, all the things from the that Bootstrap downloaded. Copy that to your app and paste on somewhere. We want to arrange that for here, from here. Yeah. Now choose the css images and expect the HTML for all the things to static. Yeah, it's paste here. We want to a larger view, so larger icons. Go to back and choose the index.html and add to templates. Okay, it's important that HTML folders are all present in templates. It's important thing. Now we want to go to atom. Yeah. And once more there is something like that. We want to check what's happened on the Bootstrap. Yeah, the page will look like this. Now sign up or login here. The pages look like this in Bootstrap. So we want to add this Bootstrap to our Django project. So that is our mission. We want to go to our templates and choose index.html. We want to add load static file about the doc type HTML. So that's important. That's not much important. We want to add between the doc HTML or something like that. Load static. This command is for loading the static files to this index.html. That's the sense behind this. So we want to change some in this linking options or href tags. For that we want to add the static codes here, this like a bracket, parenthesis and add static. Yeah, make a space between static and this loading files, and that's the important thing. Now close it with a percentage sign and the parenthesis. Okay, repeat this for all href tags and src tags and all the things. I want to copy this, providing radical free. Okay, I want to add this for this font, Google Fonts. Yeah, and okay, now it's fine. Okay, I want to add here. It's totally just time consuming, but it's effective. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, I have only 350 subscribers, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, I want to add these all the things for this href content and for src content and for loading images and all the things. This is must. Make the sense that this is must. I want to change this title of this page, Don't Tutorial. Yeah, fine for that. Now we want to change this to Don't Tutorial. Now it will be cool. Don't Tutorial will rock you. Rock your socks off. Yeah. Now we want to change the href tags and all of the things by easily adding static file. Now we want to go for this image section. You can see the image section is from here. You can see an src code there. So you want to add static on there. Yeah, it's a sense. Now add static. I want to give and have and a percentage sign. What is that? That's parenthesis. It will be fine. All the things is behind this, only this thing, static over here. Okay, this is important for converting a Bootstrap to a Django project. I think you just get that my attitude behind this. There are so many things on here we want to change, so it's make a little time consuming. Let's give static everywhere. Yeah. And you can see it will be work for our side, so I'm going to don't skip this. Okay, I have given my company name on this Carpedos. It's my company name. You can just search on Google or something like that. It's a Django project. Yeah, and give static on the JavaScript. Scripts are also calling from this static. You don't forget that. I want to give this percentage sign and this parenthesis. I want to add this JavaScript to next line. Oh, but I have a mistake and done about. I have to give this at space. That space is important. Don't forget to give that space for that. Now adding the percentage and the parenthesis. I think it's over. All the things I just added in this bootstrap. You can see all the things are there. Okay, now go to views.py in your app. We want to add some more things for this render, and we want to add get object or force.4. It's our error request. And now we want to add the redirect. The redirect is for redirecting the HTML or something else like that. And we want to add the reverse. The reverse is also important for this section. Not much important for this section, but it will be important for your next types. Now we want to go to next level and add some more things for our case. Django.http. We want to import something. Okay. Oh, I just forgot. Okay, import. We want to add the HTTP response for this. Now we want to create our views from here. Define index. Okay, we want to define the index. Index is always called in our HTML file. So we want to define index. Define request and giving this thing, and we got a section for that. Return the HTML file. That's our aim. If index is requested, the HTML file will give. That's the sense behind this code. I think this is more complicated. It will be fine. Request and giving the index.html. Gives a name as per your HTML name. Here I have index.html, so I am giving the perfect name for that. If you have anything else, give that things for this this request. Now we want to add a file name urls.py in our app for navigating this all the things for the main content. That's the sense behind this. We want to add some more things here. From down tutorial, we want to import views. Okay, after that, we want to add some more things from Django. Okay, from Django dot URLs. Now we want to import path. Path is very important because from this path we want to adding this all the things for this. After that we were adding a URL patterns for the redirection. Okay, that's a sense behind that. URL patterns is equal to giving that parenthesis and adding the URLs here. We get start from the path. We are giving the path. We give that in between the quotes, and we just adding the views are from down tutorial, not index. Views.index, and we giving the name. We call as index. Name is equal to index. Yeah. It should be cool. Now we want to add more things in our main folder, so we want to go for the DOM. In don't urls.py you can see so much things. We want to add some more things from here. Now we want to add include in this section. So from Django we want to import the include functions here. So Django.conf import .conf.urls, import the include. That will be fine. Yeah, include. In under the URL pattern section we want to add the path for that. You can see it here, adding path, and gives quotes as like the urls.py in the app section, and include the app name. So here we want to adding our app name as Don Tutorial. Okay, it's the app name Don Tutorials, and from from there we want to connect the URLs Don Tutorial.urls. We are giving a comma after all these things in these codes, and we are giving a comma for the perfection. Yeah, and now our app is ready. So we want to check how it go for a debug. Manage.py make migrations. Now migrate. No problems are detected. Now we want to run our server. For that, python manage.py run server. Oh, there's an issue, access permission. So we want to adding 8080. That should be fine for us. So now our server is working. So we want to check how our page is gonna work. Now copy and paste in Google Chrome. Wow, you can see how it worked. Totally interesting. We just missed the picture, so we want to add that thing for our Django site. For that we want to check where is that picture. Yeah, I totally just forgot that the second things. Oh, static and give a space. All are done fine by giving a percentage, and giving a parenthesis and make Control S. Yeah, all will be fine. Now you can see how it works our Django project perfectly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.